Hi guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to discuss about how you can backup social media's app data on iOS or your Android devices. So, data backup is an essential procedure that you should be conducted regularly on your functional device. Safeguard the information it contains, and also, it can become very handful if you lost your device or something else. Although there are some various methods available for backing up your device data, only a few provide specialized options for backing up social apps. Wondershare DrFone aims to offer a reliable solution specifically designed to assist in backing up social media, like backing up WhatsApp on both Android and iOS platforms. So let's start it. Part 1. Backup WhatsApp data on your iOS devices. It's very simple. Step 1. Start backup of WhatsApp on DrFone. You have to start the process by connecting your iOS device with DrFone using a cable connection. If you are connecting the device for the first time, you'll have to use a USB cable. However, if the device is connected to DrFone first, the connection can be established wirelessly as well. After connecting the device, in the My Device section on the left panel, it leads to WhatsApp in the same panel. If you are backing up your iPhone for the first time, proceed to click Start Backup to initiate the process of backup WhatsApp iOS. Step 2. View the last backups or try incremental backup for the old users who have previously backed up their iPhones on DrFone. They will view another screen on selecting WhatsApp. To view the latest backup saved on the platform, select Display from the latest backup. Conversely, you can also consider selecting Load Data from the device for practicing an incremental backup. Step 3. View the progress of the backup. As you select appropriate backup option, the backup process starts and is displayed with the progress bar on the next screen. Step 4. Navigate through the backup data. Once your WhatsApp is backed up, the data will be displayed on the same screen. You can navigate through the data and manage it according to your requirements. DrFone allows you to export, print, search for your WhatsApp data throughout the platform. Part 2. Backup line, kicks, fiber data and attachments on iOS devices. Step 1. Initiate backup of line data and attachments. The process to backup line kicks and Viper is the same on DrFone. Apart from their navigation, which can be found in the More section, considering we are backing up line data and attachments on iOS, connect your iDevice to your computer successfully. Continue to move and then to line to access the respective section. Click Start Backup if you will backup data for the first time. Step 2. View previous backups or start incremental backups. You will find this screen on your front if you have backed up line data and attachments. Select Display from the latest backup to review previous backups. Conversely, you can select Load Data from the device to initiate incremental backup. Step 3. Let line backup complete. The backup process of line data initiate and will be displayed with the progress bar. Step 4. View backed up line data. All messages and respective media are displayed on the platform once the data is backed up. You can easily export and print your required charts from DrFone. Step 5. Seek out backed up line attachments. To view specific attachments retrieved from line, navigate to line attachments in the same section. You can export particular attachments by selecting the data of your choice. Part 3. Backup WhatsApp data on Android devices. Step 1. Connect the Android device and start the backup. To backup WhatsApp Android, connect your Android device to DrFone by cabled or wireless connection. After connecting the Android device, in the My Device section, lead to WhatsApp in the same section. First-time users will have the screen on their front, from where they have to select Start Backup. Let's move to the next step. Step 2. Backup options for all users. Users who have backed up WhatsApp on DrFone before will observe the following screen on the device. Select Display from the latest backup to view previous WhatsApp backups. Conversely, they can try to select Load Data from the device to try incremental backups. Step 3. View backup progress. The data backup progress is Start. The data backup progress starts and then the progress displayed on the next section. The backup process will take some time. Do not try to disconnect your Android device and do not try to use the device or delete any data on your phone while using the backup process. Step 4. Turn off end-to-end encrypted backup. a new window opens asking you to turn off the end-to-end encrypted backup of WhatsApp on your Android device. Follow the on-screen instructions by launching WhatsApp and leading to the chart backup options. Look for the end-to-end and encrypted backup option and turn it off. After performing it, click the backup button to back up all WhatsApp data on your device. Step 5. Start activating end-to-end encryption again. Following this, you have to turn on end-to-end encryption on your WhatsApp on your Android device. As per on the screen instructions, open WhatsApp, lead to settings by clicking on the three-dotted icon in the top right. Continue to Chats, Chat Backup to access the backup setting of WhatsApp. Continue to turn on the end-to-end encrypted backup option and lead to another window. Hit the use 64-digit encryption key instead button to lead the following setting. Once done, click Next on Dr.Fone window to proceed further. Step 6. Scan the 64-digit key generated on Android. On your Android device, you'll have to select the Turn On button on the next window and continue to choose to generate your 64-digit key button. A 64-digit key will be generated on the screen, and you have to wait until it's generated. Once done, click on the Scan button on your Dr.Fone screen to proceed. Step 7. Create end-to-end encrypted backup. Continuing with your Android screen, select I saved my 64-digit key to create an end-to-end encrypted backup for your device. Select Backup on your Android device and continue to tap Next on your computer screen. Step 8. View the progress again. The screen showing the WhatsApp backup progress will continue and conclude in a while. Step 9. Navigate through backed up WhatsApp data. The backed up data of WhatsApp will be displayed on the same screen. Navigate through the data and select Appearing on the screen. You can easily export and print WhatsApp data of your choice. Ensure you will never miss out on our latest guides. Stay updated and subscribing, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will be bringing some more useful information related to Dr.Fone amazing features that you don't want to miss. So please go like, subscribe, share, and if you have any other question, comment down in the comment section. See you in the next video.